Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Welcome back to Jevan Public School and Junior College. I am Rupali Chalwadi, your English teacher. Today I will going to explain you English grammar lesson number 4 articles. Okay, let's begin with articles. First we will see in this lesson number 4 articles. What are articles? How to use articles, types of articles. Okay, first we will see what are articles. Articles are a, an and the. But what are articles? We will see in this lesson. Words. Articles are words which used before nouns and modify nouns, and it tells more about noun. Articles tells more information about noun. They also functions as adjectives. Articles, they also are specific or general. So articles are, there are three articles: a, an and the. All of you remember, articles are a, an and the. There are three articles. You can see on the screen I have given a, an and the. There are three articles. Now we will see types of articles. Types of articles. There are two types of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. So the comes in indefinite articles. So the comes in the indefinite articles, or the comes in the definite articles. These are the articles characterized in different types of as per their usage. So the is the definite articles. So first we will see about the. The which shows the unique or specific or a particular. For example, the book is on the table. So I have given here one picture. There is a book on the table. So the representing us particular thing, or it determine the particular thing. The book which kept on the table. So I am pointing out particular this book. So the book is on the table. So understand when to use the. If you point out any particular thing unique or it is specific, that time we have to use the. One more example. The cat loves milk. Here the cat loves milk. Cat, I have used cat word because cat is a group of animal. Cat. So which cat loves milk? All cat loves milk. So it, to represent the group, I have used here cat. Understand till here? Now we will see indefinite articles. So in indefinite articles, a and an, so they shows the general. How? We will see. For example, they bought a computer. So I have used here a before computer word. So computer means it is a general word. So I have used here a letter. Understand? Now we will see another example. A book is man's best friend. So here this proverb I have used a book, because book means what? General book. Which book? Not idea, but I have given a book is man's best friend. So here if it is a general, that time we have to use a letter. Understand? Now we will see the definite article. So the is called the definite article. It is used before specific things or places, something unique. So the comes under the category of definite article. How? For example, the moon. So here you can see moon is a specific. It is a unique planet. So that time we have to use the. Taj Mahal, it is in Agra. So Taj Mahal is also specific. So I have used here the. Mahabharata. So Mahabharata is a epic. So it is a specific. So that's why I have used here the. Understand? Now we will see another. The is also used with a single common noun or proper noun to represent a group. For example, the class waited quietly for the teacher. Here the class weighted, so I have used here the, because class, to represent a group I have used here class. So understand? Now see another example, the Bhagavad Gita. So here Bhagavad Gita, I have used the Bhagavad Gita because Gita, this book is a specific book. So this is a particular book. So I have used the, because in Hindu Dharma we have Bhagavad Gita and the Bhagavad Gita is a specific. So that's why I have used the. Now we will see another use. The is also used when we talk about someone or something for the first time. We use or an. When we talk about it again, we use the. In the story also, if we start the story, first time we use or an, and then again if we want to talk about the particular person again and again, that time we are using the. So for example, one example I have given you to understand better. See, a girl was holding an umbrella. A gust of wind blew the umbrella away. The girl ran after it. So in this example, you can see I have used a girl in the first sentence and the girl in the last sentence. Why? You can see here. Because in the first sentence, a girl was holding an umbrella, a particular girl, but that girl, which girl we don't know, but a girl is there and that girl was holding an umbrella. What happened? Suddenly a gust of wind blew the umbrella, the blew the umbrella away. So here umbrella, which umbrella? That umbrella which that girl was carrying, the holding the umbrella, that umbrella blew away. So that's why I have used here the. Again I use the girl ran after it. It means the particular, the same girl ran after the umbrella to catch that umbrella. Okay, understand? Now we will see the is used with superlatives and ordinals. So here, for example, this is the best news I have ever heard. So in this, best is what? Superlative. So here, before superlative I used the, because in every superlatives we have to use before superlative the. We have to use the before superlative. Understand? Now we will see another example. We will arrive on the 5th of May. So ordinals. So here 5th is what? Ordinals. So for every ordinals we have to use the. Understand till here? Now we will see indefinite articles, that is a and an. When to use a or an, we will see. So basically we have 26 letters in English. Out of that 5 letters are vowels and 21 letters are consonants. So 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U and 21 consonants are B, C, D, whatever left, uh, that are consonants. Okay, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are what? Consonant. So now we will see when to use an and a. First we will see vowel sound. So if a word begin with a vowel sound, that time we have to use an word. Okay, for example, an ant, an ice cream, an umbrella. So a word beginning with a vowel sound, always you have to add an at the where, in the beginning of the word. Okay, before the word you have to use an word. Okay, now you can see another example, one more example I have given in the orange box, that is an r. So here you will tell h is not vowel, but ma'am still used an, because h is, hence h is a silent letter in r, because we pronounce an r. So h becomes silent over here. So r is what? R pronouns and it sounds like vowel. It sounds like vowel, not consonant. H is consonant, but here H is silent. Now we will see consonant. Sound A. So in every, see, a word begin with a consonant sound. That time we have to use a letter. How? We will see a boy, a cat, a horse, a book. So here boy, B is what? Consonant letter. That's why I have used here a. C is consonant a. In the same way horse and book also. Now you can see one orange box, in that a university. Here again U is there, but I have used a because U is vowel sound, but still I used a. Why? Because here in this letter, this word university tells, and it's pronounced like you. Why you? I have given here example. Why you? It pronounced as a U, not university. So that's why I have used here a, because why you pronounced as a consonant sound. That's why a university, not an university. Okay. Now we will see indefinite articles points. A and an are called indefinite articles. A is used before words that begin with a consonant or a consonant sound. It is also used before words that begins with you when pronounced as you. Because I have given one example earlier, that a university. So begin with you. University begin with you, but pronounced as a yu. Understand? For example, a girl, a cat, a skirt, a uniform, and a university. Now we will see an. An is used before words that begins with a vowel or a vowel sound. It is also used with words that begins with a silent H. For example, an egg, an umbrella, an orange. Here an R is there. Here again H is silent over here. That's why I have to use an R. Now, I have given you few examples of articles that you can note down in your notebook also, and you can refer for practice also. The and a and. These are the examples I have given you. Please note down in your notebook and revise it. The earth, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the sun, the environment. Again, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a table, a bike, a house. An apple, an orange, an egg, an ant, an aunt, an hour, an old man. These are the example I have given you. Okay. Thank you, dear student. I hope you enjoyed the lesson number 4 articles. Still, if you have any query, question, then you can ask me. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.